So guys, this is how our vertebral columns looks like. Vertebral column is the backbone of human body. You can see in this picture, this is a typical human body and vertebral column is the backbone of human body. Vertebral column lies in the mid-dorsal region of neck and trunk, and it extends from the base of skull and constitute the main framework of our body. In adulthood, in human body, there are 26 serially arranged vertebrae. In adulthood of human body, there are 26 serially arranged vertebrae. These are the vertebrae. There are total 26. You can calculate this: 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar, 1 sacrum, 1 coccus. So total 26 serially arranged vertebrae. Okay, in vertebral column. You can see here, guys, between two adjacent vertebrae, a disc shaped, or you can say a pad shaped fibrous cartilage is present. This one, fibrous cartilage is present, which is called invertebral disc, and it provides the flexibility to the vertebral column. Okay, so what's the function of vertebral column? Vertebral column actually protects the spinal cord. It supports the head. You can see, guys, a central hollow portion occurs in each vertebrae. We are going to discuss it later in details. Okay, so now just remember, a central hollow portion occurs in each vertebrae, which together form a structure through which, you can see here, through which the spinal cord is passes. Okay, so the function of vertebral column: the vertebral column protects the spinal cord, it supports head and serves as a point of attachment for the ribs and the musculature of the back. Okay, so this is cervical vertebrae. Cervical vertebrae are being found in the neck region, thoracic vertebrae in chest region, lumbar vertebrae are in abdominal region, and sacral vertebrae fuses together to form the sacrum. Remember, guys, at the fetal age, a human baby have total 33 vertebrae in his or her body: 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar, and 5 sacral, and 4 coccus. That 5 sacral vertebrae fuses and form a sacrum in adulthood, and 4 coccygeal vertebrae fuses and form one coccus, and it is a vestigial tail bone. So guys, this is a brief discussion on human vertebral column. We are going to discuss in details on cervical vertebrae, thoracic vertebrae, lumbar vertebrae, sacrum vertebrae, and coccus vertebrae in a different video.